This already feels less like a rehearsal and more like a challenge. Changbin is trying his best to stay focused and deliver the vocals, but Han and Hyunjin standing on both sides, staring at him from inches away, is the exact kind of distraction Stray Kids would create for each other. Why are they looking at him like he's a rare animal at the zoo? Leave the man alone. He's trying to sing. What makes it even funnier is that Changbin looks like he's fighting for his life, trying not to laugh. This is peak Stray Kids behavior. If one member is working seriously, the others immediately see it as an opportunity for chaos. Only Han could be casually eating food, discussing his stomach, and somehow end up becoming everyone's entertainment. When Lee No grabs Han's belly like it's stress relief slime, and Han immediately regrets bringing attention to it. Lee No, what are you doing? That's an actual human being, not a squishy toy. And Han asking Stay if they want to touch it too. Han, why are you inviting thousands of people into this conversation? The whole interaction feels like something that shouldn't happen in a professional rehearsal. Yet somehow it does, because they're Stray Kids. Watching one of the group's strongest rappers suddenly lose a fight against his own lyrics is comedy gold. The best part is always the members' reactions. Not the rap machine malfunctioning in real time. You can tell everyone was waiting for the slightest mistake because the second it happened, they were ready to laugh. It's honestly reassuring seeing moments like this because even someone as skilled as Changbin occasionally gets defeated by speed and pronunciation. This is the moment where Bang Chan sounds less like a performer and more like someone who enjoys suffering. Everyone else looks concerned because Side Effects is already ridiculously fast. Bang Chan, are you trying to perform or summon a hurricane? The members' hesitation is completely understandable, but then they actually try it, and somehow it works. That's the scary thing about Stray Kids. They hear an idea that sounds impossible, complain about it for a minute, then casually pull it off anyway. Formation checks are supposed to be serious. Hyunjin and Lee No clearly did not get that memo. The fact that they start doing ridiculous choreography in front of the other members is so on brand. They're rehearsing for a festival, and these two are auditioning for a comedy show. What makes it funnier is how naturally they do it, like nobody should be surprised anymore. Honestly, if Lee No and Hyunjin are standing together for more than 30 seconds, chaos becomes statistically inevitable. This might actually be one of the cutest moments. Seungmin isn't there, so naturally the members decide that Dwaekki should take over his position.
고개가 틀어졌네. 아이고 형 좋다고 또 팔에 들러붙어. 승민이 보고 싶네. 아유 승민이.
I love how nobody's first thought was we miss Seungmin. Their first thought was, let's promote Dwaekki. Changbin talking directly to Dwaekki, like it's a real replacement member, is exactly the kind of humor that makes Stray Kids feel like a group of friends rather than coworkers. For 5 minutes, they genuinely acted like Dwaekki had joined the rehearsal. When Changbin says, "Do you know where this tenderness comes from? It comes from my belly," I completely lose it. That's already an absurd sentence.
가족이 다 어디서 나오는지 알아? 배에서 나오는 거야. 배에서 나온 거야? 그럼 가족이 다 어디서 나오는지 알아? 배에서 나온 거야.
Then Felix responds by saying he's jealous, and then makes fart sounds at Changbin's stomach.
진짜 부럽다.
What am I watching? A world-class festival rehearsal or a kindergarten lunch break? The conversation somehow gets more ridiculous every second. This is exactly why Stray Kids content is dangerous, because you never know where a simple conversation will end up. Felix is basically a human golden retriever. He sees Changbin and immediately decides physical affection is required. Changbin lifting Felix up and putting him back down feels like a parent relocating an overly excited child. Changbin really said, "You've exceeded the hugging limit for today." The funniest part is how normal this looks for them. Nobody reacts like it's unusual, because Felix randomly attaching himself to members is practically a daily occurrence. The staff probably says it's time to resume rehearsal. Everyone gets ready. Han? Still busy playing. Han has the attention span of a cat that just found a laser pointer. Then the moment he realizes everyone is already starting, he panics, runs to put the paddle away, and sprints back to formation. The image of Han suddenly activating emergency mode is hilarious. 1 second he's on break. The next second, he's an Olympic runner. Weather is hot. Everyone is tired. Changbin sits down to rest. Felix sees this and apparently decides that Changbin has become furniture. Felix looked at a tired Changbin and thought, perfect, a chair. What kills me is that Changbin just accepts it. This is such a perfect summary of their relationship. Felix constantly acts like an affectionate giant puppy, and Changbin has long since given up trying to understand why. It's honestly one of those moments that reminds you how comfortable they are around each other. The funniest thing about this rehearsal is that it constantly switches between world-class performers preparing for a major festival and 8 friends sharing a single brain cell. One moment they're discussing difficult choreography and speeding up songs, and the next they're arguing about bellies, talking to Dwaekki, making fart noises, and using Changbin as a chair. That's probably why Stray Kids behind-the-scenes content is so entertaining. No matter how important the event is, they somehow manage to turn rehearsal into its own variety show.
스텝 안 줄. 승민이 보고 싶네. 아유, 승민이. 가족이 다 어디서 나오는지 알아? 배에서 나오는. 진짜 부럽다.
Right